Hey guys, so I'm trying to do a premiere later, but I know I usually don't post at this time. But tell me why. Just tell me why. I am a kid. I do Zoom, but my Zoom lesson has not started yet. Like, let me go show you.
I realised I hadn't sent Jonathan's Christmas wish to Santa.
See?
It was with my letter to you.
See? Yes, it's started yet. Are you serious right now? I might not censor that out. Maybe not, because that is my teacher. Everybody could know her. Everybody could not. Anyway, but still, my Zoom has not started, so there might be a triple upload today. Because for some reason my Zoom hasn't started, and I usually wait until like night to post on days like this because I usually be in Zoom. But this time, maybe not. Who knows? Okay. Adios, amigos.